Welcome back. Now, the Shopify app is meant for you to run your entire online business using the application. And so in order to do that, you may need to customize your store or to add on applications that perhaps you are already using or that you'd like to use to extend the functionality. And to do that, you're going to need to go to Customize Your Store. And the Shopify App Store will allow you to make connections to your Shopify app that are either created by third-party cloud-based companies or by Shopify to make connections. One thing that you can do is you can search the applications for the application that you use, and you can find all of the relevant applications. In some cases, the add-on will be paid. In other cases, the add-on will be free. However, you will want to make sure that you have an account with the third-party cloud-based company. You typically need to make some kind of connection. You'll then need to allow the connection. And once you've made the connection, the Shopify app will be able to see inside of the other cloud-based application that you are using. In the case where there is no direct integration, you can use an application like Zapier in order to connect to the cloud-based company that you are already working with to use with Shopify. For example, if you wanted to work with the application Teachable, you can do that with Shopify by using Zapier. So you will want to explore the Shopify App Store and or explore Zapier to determine how to make the connection to extend the functionality of Shopify. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.